you know, it's the same thing over and over, but that's how the markets, right? The markets work in cycles, right? And our goal is to kind of be ahead with the market. So that book, Trading in the Zone, is good. So I'm glad you started with that. Okay, but thanks for being here, and everyone else, everyone else. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, guys. If there aren't any other questions, I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. And thanks, Mary, and thanks, Stella. All right. Thanks for helping Kay out clarify some things.
Hey,
You
David,
guys remember? Go ahead, Stella.
oh, sorry, I wanted to say I was looking at my stock boss trade. You remember my master trade?
Yes.
And so it's really good to see how the system worked because, it's been read. I mean, it had the sell